Welcome to Food Safety 5, twice monthly reports from the Food Safety Magazine editorial desk to keep you abreast of top news stories and current events impacting the food safety sector. First, a sweeping ban on BPA and other similar bisphenols may be coming to the UK. The ban, recently proposed by the UK Food Standards Agency, or FSA, would align with recently passed EU regulations. Specifically, FSA proposes to prohibit BPA and structurally similar analogues in food contact materials, with very limited exceptions. The ban would provide strong protection for public health and consumer confidence, implementing a precautionary principle approach, as scientific evidence indicates that BPA poses potential human health risks, such as endocrine disruption and reproductive toxicity. If the proposed policy is implemented, compliance deadlines would range between July 2026 for single-use materials manufactured with BPA and January 2029 for repeat-use materials, including those used in food production. Next, a study led by researchers at Plymouth University has added to the understanding of how plastic pollution may enter the human food chain by demonstrating how nanoplastics can infiltrate the edible parts of crops during growth. Using hydroponically grown radishes exposed to a solution containing plastic particles, the researchers found that nearly 5% of the particles were retained by the root system, amounting to millions of nanoplastic particles. Of those, approximately 25% migrated into the edible root and 10% into the leaves. This discovery reveals the ability of plastic pollution to penetrate the Casparian strip, a natural plant barrier in the root that acts as a filter against particles. The researchers say there is no reason to believe that this phenomenon is unique to radishes, and call for further investigation into the implications of nanoplastic contamination in agriculture and its potential impacts on food safety and public health. Finally, researchers at the University of Maryland School of Medicine have completed a successful Phase 1 clinical trial of a new vaccine targeting both typhoid fever and non-typhoidal Salmonella infections, which are responsible for significant illness and death globally. The investigational trivalent Salmonella conjugate vaccine, or TSCV, is designed using sugar molecules taken from Salmonella typhi bacteria, which causes typhoid fever, as well as from two common serotypes of invasive non-typhoidal Salmonella enterica, which are among the leading causes of foodborne illness. The sugar molecules are linked to proteins that enhance the body's immune recognition. In the randomized placebo-controlled trial, 22 healthy adults either received a low or high dose of TSCV or a placebo. The vaccine was well tolerated, with only mild injection site discomfort reported. All vaccinated participants developed strong immune responses to the 3 targeted Salmonella strains, while placebo recipients did not. The vaccine also activated a robust immune response involving white blood cells that help clear infections, an effect not previously observed with one of the vaccine's protein components. The findings suggest potential for both localized and systemic protection against Salmonella. For more information on any of the stories mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the Food Safety Magazine coverage linked in the description. Check back twice monthly on Tuesdays for the latest Food Safety 5 episodes, available at food-safety.com or on our YouTube channel.